good morning. This is Jasmine back with another video, and we have made it to the beautiful island of St. Kitts. And we just pulled up, well, pulled up a few hours ago, but there's the background. And I'll be doing more videos on my tour of the island of St. Kitts. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is where we first got off the ship at the port of St. Kitts. It was beautiful from what I was seeing. One man, give me one. There it goes on. Bet the money, bet the money. Okay, so there were a lot of street performers working for tips. They really rely on our tourist dollars at the port. We had planned on going on a tour to the beach, but the cab drivers didn't take cash, and the ATMs in that particular island only gave out their particular money, the EC dollar. So we just stayed in the market. We kind of did some shopping. We stopped at a restaurant, had some drinks, and I just took pictures of the surrounding area. The island was beautiful. So after shopping, we headed back to the ship and just kind of waited for it to pull off. So you can see background pictures of St. Kitts. It was a pretty island. We didn't do a whole tour because there was a lot of the same on each island with the hilly tours. So that was our short little stop at the island of St. Kitts. And thank you for watching.